Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how we can hide the active drive from your system without an external tool. So I'll show you my drives currently, which drive I have on my PC. So currently I have three drives. So suppose I want to hide the study drive. Okay, so for that we have to go to the disk management. To open the disk management, we have to open the run box. For that, press Windows and R button simultaneously. So this pop-up will come. Here we have to type disk management, disk mgmt.msc. Hit enter. After that, we will see the active drives which were there on our system. So recently I told you I want to hide the study drive. Okay, so to hide the drive, we have to just right click and select on change drive letter and paths. Okay, do not click anywhere else, because if you click format or if you click on delete value, then your all data will be gone in within a second. So be careful here. So click on change drive and paths, and after that just click on remove. Okay, click on yes. Here we can see the letter is gone here. Okay, so just close this and refresh this Windows Explorer. So yes, we cannot access the study drive anymore. So to reactivate the study drive, we have to follow the same steps. Go on run box, enter disk management .msc. Here we have to we want to activate the study drive, right? So just right click here, click on change path letter and paths, add letter, add any letter which you want to label this drive. So I'm just adding E, it is by default. So click on OK. So it will take some time, and yeah, the letter is assigned to my drive. Now if I just refresh my drive, the study drive is here now. So this is how we can access the drive and hide the drive without any external tool, and we can safely keep our data private. So thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe for such more content. So thank you so much. Bye.